Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Kayla and I love doing DIY projects to save some money. My husband and I have been trying to fix up the outside of our house. It really lacks curb appeal and our porch is pretty bare. So I wanted to make a bench or chair to kind of have like a little seating area out there. But I didn't want to go and buy patio furniture. I wanted to make it, so I decided to make a cinder block bench. It's really simple and easy, but pro tip, do not pick the hottest day of the year to do the project. I was out there sweating buckets while I was painting and staining and lifting the bricks onto the porch, but I love how it turned out though. It is such a nice, easy DIY, and I'm going to show you how I did it. So if you are interested in how to put together a easy DIY bench, just keep watching. Here we go. For this project, I am using 6 cinder blocks that we had out in our garage. 2 of them had busted corners, but I'm going to put those on the bottom so the corners will be hidden. I'm using a black paint to give the blocks a more polished look. I'm using exterior paint here, but I end up switching to black spray paint because the bricks were really absorbing the exterior paint. Once the bricks are painted, I move on to cutting my boards for the seat of the bench. I measured the space where I'm wanting the bench to go, and I cut 2 2x4s down to size. I needed 5.5 feet for my bench. I went ahead and sanded down the board so I could start staining them. This is the exact same color that I used on my shutters because I wanted to make sure everything on the front of our house matched. And once the stain dried, I went ahead and put a clear coat on top because I wanted to make sure the wood was protected from the weather. I had already measured out exactly how far apart I wanted the bricks, and so I'm laying the 2 bottom ones facing up and the top one will go facing each other so I can slide the boards in to create the seat. And here's how it turned out. It's not perfect by any means, but it's a nice little spot to sit on the porch and enjoy the nice weather in the evenings. Thanks so much for watching this video. Before you go, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you can see more cheap and easy DIYs. Bye-bye.